Hi friends, welcome to YOLO channel. In this lecture, we understand silicon control rectifier, which is known as SCR. Since it is made up of silicon semiconductor material, SCR is also called semiconductor controlled rectifier. So it is used for AC to DC conversion, which is rectifier. Since we have control, how much amount of signal should be convert from AC to DC. So hence in the name controlled rectifier. So we call this as silicon controlled rectifier. SCR is most important and mostly used member of thyristor family. It was first introduced in 1956 by Bell Telephone Laboratories. SCR is a bipolar unidirectional device that allows the current in one direction and opposes the another direction. It converts AC into DC and at the same time it can control the amount of power fed to the load. And SCR can be seen as a conversional rectifier controlled by a gate signal. When the gate to cathode voltage exceeds the threshold voltage, the device turns on and conducts current. Now let us see the construction of SCR. It has 4 layer, 3 terminal and 3 junction solid state device that controls the current. The 3 terminals are gate, anode and cathode. The structure of SCR. The SCR consists of 4 layer PN structure with the outer layer are referred to as anode and cathode. The control terminal of the SCR is named the gate and it is connected to the P-type layer located next to the cathode. The 3 junctions are namely denoted as J1, J2 and J3. How does SCR work? Load is connected in series with anode. The anode is always kept at a higher potential than cathode. The working of SCR is to be studied under 2 different conditions. When gate is open and second one when gate is positive with respect to cathode. When gate is open, no voltage transferred to the gate. So junction J1 and J3 are forward bias and J2 reverse bias. In reverse bias, no current will flow through the device. SCR will be cut off in reverse bias. When gate is positive with respect to cathode, junction J3 forward bias and J2 reverse bias. The electron from n-type material stores at what condition SCR start conduction? SCR start conduction when it is forward biased. For this purpose, the cathode is kept at negative and anode at positive. When positive clock pulse is applied at the gate, SCR turns on. VI characteristics of SCR. In VI curve, drawn between anode to cathode voltage and anode current of SCR at constant gate current. It operates 3 modes. First one, forward blocking mode, forward conduction mode, reverse blocking mode. In forward blocking mode, blocking the forward voltage. When it will happen when no gate current is applied. When forward voltage is applied, J1 forward bias, J2 reverse bias, J3 forward bias. When anode to cathode voltage greater than breakover voltage, junction J2 breaks down. If J2 conducts, then SCR will be in forward conduction mode. Now let us see the operation of forward blocking mode. In this mode, the anode is made positive with respect to cathode. J1 and J3 are forward biased, J2 are reverse biased. When small leakage current flow through the SCR. When applied voltage is more than breakover voltage, SCR offer very high resistance to the current flow. So SCR acts as open switch in this mode by blocking the forward current. in forward conduction mode. In this mode, SCR comes into blocking mode to conduction mode. It can be done in two ways: by applying positive pulse to the gate terminal, and second one by increasing forward voltage beyond the breakover voltage. By using any one of these methods is applied, the breakdown occur at junction J2. Therefore, SCR turns into conduction mode and current starts flowing through it. In reverse blocking mode, in this mode, cathode is made positive with respect to anode. J1 and J3 reverse bias and J2 forward bias. This reverse voltage drives the SCR into reverse blocking region. So, small leakage current flow in reverse voltage increased beyond the breakover voltage. The average breakdown occurs at junction J1 and J3, which results increased reverse current. This reverse current causes more losses. And last one, application of SCR. What are the application we use SCR? First one, rectification. Second one, regulated power supplies. Third one, static switches. And fourth one, motor speed controls. And fifth one, battery charger and heater controls. So these are all the applications we use SCR. Thanking you for watching this video.